So this is Troy's Polaris Razor, and we tuned it last time, but it had too small of the stock injectors just couldn't keep up. So we put some 1000cc injectors in there and fixed a little exhaust leak and a little boost leak. So it now has a little tiny baby turbo on it. And this is an 800cc model, so this is a 09 Polaris Razor. And so today we are going to be tuning it using Power Commander 5, which can tune under pressure for fuel. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're got the two-step launch control. He has our two-step launch control set up on it. So that's our little button here up on the steering wheel. And that's two-step launch control programmed through Power Commander 5. So this is what we're playing around with today. 09, right?
Yep.
09 makes about 10 pounds of boost or so, somewhere in there. I don't know, we'll have to look at the videos and see how much boost it's actually making, but it's about accurate. So we'll run a video of us dialing it in on the street here, and then we'll go hit the two-step launch control. Alright, just give her the jam. Go ahead. Watching duty cycle. Our duty cycle is only at 47. You're using 47% of what those injectors can do. Before we were using 100. Holding 40. Yeah, I'd say that's about what we can do. Go ahead. Two-step might be different now too. Probably. You two? Now we're just testing out a two-step launch control. Yeah, I'd say she's rowdy. That just happened. All right. Finally got the tune all dialed in. Then he's gonna come up here. We got it running the way we want. So this is it on the two-step launch control. Digs though. Two-wheel drive, she digs. Digs and two-wheel drive.